Hello, good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're. Oh, sorry. Hello, good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're seeing this video. And sabko namaste. So, let's start today's session. I'm sharing my screen. Today, we have plenty of will trade with ease. No need to hurry in either of direction. So, we will try to make the most out of the session. All right. So hopefully my screen is visible, right? And I'm just closing all the unnecessary tabs. So this is Ethereum. Let's start with Bitcoin. What is happening at Bitcoin? And let's do one more thing. Let's do it. Moving average exponentials. One is 9, another is 15. And guys, just I'm just checking that I'm live or not. So just give me a minute. Yeah, we are live, guys. Yeah, we are live, guys. So I'm putting this as this place. All right. So let's start from very beginning. Uh, so this is the countdown to close the bar. Close the bar. Okay, and as you can see in higher time frame. Okay, let me set the context of this video. Who am I and what I am trying to do here, and because why you unnecessary want to see me, right? Want to watch me. So I am a full-time software engineer, guys, and a part-time learner in trading journey. So um, I am not a full part-time trader as well right now, because I'm not. I haven't invested any money in any of the crypto or Indian market. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to learn as much as I can. If I try to learn in the real market, real crypto or Indian market, and I have to invest real money, and I don't have that much of capital right now, or forget about the capital. If I had the capital also, then also it will take a lot of courage and confidence to enter in the market, because market gives you losses to teach you a lesson. So I made this application for myself to practice trading, to get the real time simulation as of real market, and to learn for free as much as I can, so that I will not penalized by the real market when I entered. When I feel comfortable that now I'm feeling comfortable, I can enter in the real market. So okay, so let's begin the journey from so this is the context of the video. I am a learner and I am here to practice my trading sessions. I will trade in the discipline environment as much as I can. Okay, and if you want to practice trading, just go to paperweight.com. The link is also attached in the description box. Just feel free to go and try to punch the trades, but be in the risk reward, be in the process only, right? Don't punch unnecessary trades, because it will leads to over trading, and you whatever you are doing here, you will replicate it into the real world trading journey as well. So be as disciplined and consistent as you can, and don't overtrade. Follow some set of rules. So as you sign up, you will receive 100,000 of dollars as a wallet money, as a demo money, right? and you can punch trade in for $100,000. I also got $100,000, but I am currently suffering a loss of uh, $1,200, something like that. So, and it is not of sudden, it is like for almost 20 days I am trading, and I for 20 days I suffered a loss of $1,200. So I'm trying to take small stop losses and this risk, and try to convert big trades. And yeah, now your question might be that why this trading application, why this paper trading application, why not the existing brokers who provide demo account, right? You can trade it in that as well. I am not stopping any one of you, so you can just trade it. And this application is basically for providing you the best experience, best experience in the terms of because in demo trading application they will treat you like as a demo user, right? So they don't track your progress, how you're performing on day-to-day basis. And this is particularly for it is focused for demo trading only. So I will track what the features of this application is to track uh, all your journey and your trades as well, right? So still I haven't took any trade yet because I just came live. And this is my overall journey so far. So far I have executed 51 trades, and out of that 17 are in profit and 34 are in losses. So this is overall my journey is right now, and I can show you the order history as well. So yesterday I punched six trades, and see, this is my losses. I took around 100 $120 $50 more max $200 losses. And in return I try to find bigger trades like this. So, and I will provide you this personalized experience with notes taking session as well. Like if you find that you did some mistake, and you can write some notes, right? And there is one more feature. This is analytics. Let me open in this new tab. In analytics you can see that trading chart of this monthly diary, where you can see that Saturday Sunday generally the market is off, so I haven't traded, and almost daily I traded except this 13th. So I have been trading for like 5 4 9 9 plus 4 13 and 14 days. For almost 14 days I'm trading, and I executed all those for 14 days I'm why I'm counting this, the stat is there. 14 days I'm trading, and I've executed 48 trades in this month, right? So that 51 is overall. I traded in December also for a single day. So this is my December journey. So let's get back to the trading application again. So whenever you want to trade, right, you have to see the direction in which the market is going. And right now, for a couple of hours, you can see that market is taking a pullback. Before this, market is in lower lows. So let us go one more level up in the. So this is the daily time frame, right? And in daily time frame, you can see that this is big red candle that came at on 20th Jan, and now this is some pullback. Market may continue this lower lows, and might pause at this point. So there is still 89 4 to 5,000 points that market have potential to fall, but there is a resistance at this point. So still 3,000 point far from this resistance, from the support. Sorry, guys, resistance means that there is a pressure from the selling side, and the support means there is a pressure from the buying sides. Okay, so this is a daily chart candle, and for the previous day it closed in the doji. Didn't know doji means market is ambiguous, in ambiguous situation. Didn't know where to go, and hence made this confusing candle. Like it is going up and then it is going down, then some somewhat. closing in the middle, right? So this is how you can trade, right? Now, what saying to you. Huh. Now, this is one hour daily candle, and daily candle you can see that market is in lower lows. Although like it is taking pullback for a couple of hours, and we can see that this is the pullback, and this is the selling zone. You can also see the selling zone from here, like by drawing that blue line. So I'm just drawing some zones. So the this is the point where sellers are active, and this is the trend line where the buyers are active, right? Now let's get back to 1 hour candle. At what is happening at 1 hour candle? So at 1 hour candle, you can see there is a pressure from the selling side, and the somehow market is taking support on the trend line, right? If it breaks the trend line, then we will punch the trade in the downward direction, right? Right now, we will closely watch what is happening in the market. So yeah, so from this trend line, market might test this selling point again. So let's see how it performs, right? This is 5 minute chart, and at 5 minute chart, you can see there is a trend line in the up direction. Okay, so it is following the trend line in the up direction, and we can see that market is moving in the channel. So this is also channel that you can see in the shorter time frame, that it is uh, it is going in the channel, right? So let's see how market will perform. Okay, so this is how it is in the. Remember, if it breaks this, this is 4 hour 4 hour trend line, and if this breaks the 4 hour trend line, then we will short. But as of now, we are in the long side, in the short run, and it can touch this blue line, this which is basically 4 hour at 4 hour and selling zone. So it has a lot of potential to go up, and we can take the advantage. We don't have to be biased whether we are selling or buying, whatever the opportunity that we are seeing in the shorter time frame, because we usually trade in the 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, and for shorter time frame the market is in upside. Let's see what is happening at Ethereum. So I will do the same thing with Ethereum as well. Let me do one thing at Bitcoin. Yeah, let's delete this, go to 4 hour candle again and see what is happening. So I will add two indicators. One is 9, another is 15. The difference between 9 and 15 is 9 line 9 curve line is near to the candles, and 15 is far away. So this is 15 and this is 9. Okay, and you can see that this is market is trying to support at this point. So if it breaks this line again and again, then we are interested in the selling side. But at 4 hour, it is on the support side, and market is super weak. So market is weak, then we can find the opportunity in the selling side. But as you can see, this is the buying zone which market is preventing again and again, right? So this is very interesting zone. We have to trade cautiously at this particular point. We might get trap again and again. Let's see what is happening. So at 4 hour, you can just see there is a trend line from, sorry, 1 hour, you can just, there is a trend line from upside as well. So let's see how, because how the market performs with this trend line. This is 5 minute chart, and 5 minute chart, the story is entirely different. Nothing. There's no such trade in the 5 minute time frame, because market is a bit sideways, because you can see the EMA direction, that is in horizontal side, right? So let's give some time to the market. Let's see what is happening at Solana. 4 hour interval. I will delete both these drawings. I will do my own. Okay, so at 4 hour you can see that market is in lower lows, but right, yeah, and now it is. It doesn't have any such support in Solana. There's no such support. The market can fall anytime, so there is a huge possibility in the market in the selling side, and so we can see how we might trade in Solana, because there is a great opportunity in Solana right now. In the selling side, market is super weak. We might execute a trade as well. Although like this is the buying area where market have continued its buying. Let's see how market will perform here. So our assumption is that market will. Okay, market has already fallen. We just so we have to be very quick in scalping, guys. I'm just seeing that how much that fall. Not much. Sorry. So it's very difficult to go live daily without any audience. But our duty is to just come live and follow the process. Views, no views is in the hand of viewers. We don't have to worry about it. See, this is what I'm talking about. After this, because at 1 hour you can see that there is still some buying buyers present over here. So let's draw this candle as well. Um, which might trap you again and again. Although like market will be in selling side only, but for stop loss hunting, they might come and might score a few trade. If you're positional, if you do the positional trade and your stop losses might here or somewhere, then you can feel free to. Bitcoin is in shorter time frame, is in higher highs. Ethereum, Ethereum is very weak, as I told you. So right now there is no such trade in either of the market. So we have to wait, because the only thing that you can do is to wait. Let me know what is going in your life, guys. Are you enjoying your holidays? See how market trapped all the sellers here. We can enter in the counter trend, but the probability of succeeding in counter trade is very low. So our process is to enter only in those setup where the probability of getting success is high. Do you understand? So BTC approaching at just the selling range again, and Ethereum also Ethereum might Ethereum mm, also might face the rejection because this is when we can draw it is almost 50%, and there might be rejection by these sellers who sold. And in Solana we can also see a rejection candle anytime soon. I'm thinking if I jump in the Solana with full quantity, then what is the probability of getting success? So if I jump with 3000 quantity, which is not possible, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. 100, no, it is not possible. So, yeah, insufficient fund. So what we will do, we will jump with 500. Yeah, I think it is executed. So we jumped at 500, 126.98, somewhere here. We jumped here only. Okay, let's see what our risk is. We'll not take that much of risk in this because this is a trial can entry only. $50 is the maximum loss we can take. $75 is the maximum loss, and this is the target. So this trade is 1 ratio 7.3. Should reduce. I just took a trade. Okay, so we are approaching stop loss, guys. Okay, nice. Still 20 seconds to close this candle. I'm expecting some pressure from the up, but the expectation is poison. I think we entered a little bit early. I will write notes for this. Okay, this will definitely take our stop loss. For sure, it will take our stop loss. So it took us stop loss and it's going up. Guys, we have to forward this trade and I have to write some notes for this trade. Unnecessary trade just to time pass should be avoided. Wait for perfect set. Okay. I'm entering again because what I feel that let me see where my entry is this time. 127.09. 127.09. This one. This is my entry. 127.09 is my entry. The high of this is my stop loss. That is $45. My target is same. My target is this. Let me see what is happening at BTC. BTC, it is also at Ethereum. Probability of falling is higher than the probability of going up, but market is very unpredictable, guys. You should have to. It might be early entry, but my analysis is saying that my market might fall. Guys, it is approaching to our stop loss again. This time our stop loss is I closed this trade because it is exceeding our stop loss, and our stop loss is hitting again and again. I took $45 of so total stop loss is $115. We took two trades today, and both went against us. I'm entering again. I entered at this point, so somewhere here. Stop loss is again this point. Target is same, guys. Target is same. Because my view is that market will fall. This is just a stop loss. What is preventing to fall? Let's see what is happening in BTC. Okay, BTC is approaching at this, and BTC is in long run, guys. So this might impacting Solana to fall, and Solana is not falling very rapidly. Still 2 minutes and 10 seconds to close this candle, and the way this candle is closing is not okay. So it made against us again. Still 1 minute to go to close this candle. Closing of this candle is very important. How it close. As of now, this candle is at cost to cost, and obviously I want this candle to close in the downward direction, but we will respect what market showing us. What is happening is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is okay. Bitcoin rallied out. So guys, I think we have to cut this trade because as I can see, Bitcoin rallied out and broke this zone. So there might be continuity in the Solana as well. So I don't think so. This will work as intended. What is happening with Ethereum? Yeah. So you can just see this how the momentum is in up direction. It might be a false breakout as well, but let's see. See, this is also making the breakout, right? That's why I scored off my position because these three are the tripods. They support each other. I executed a trade in the downward direction again, 127.15. 127.15. This is my entry, guys. My exit is again at this top of this candle. Target is same again, same points. Okay, so I'm not able to. So this I have done plenty of mistake today, right? Took several trades and neither of the trade went in my way, and I'm keeping. This is the perfect example of over trading, guys. Although like market is moving up and I'm pushing the trades in a downward direction, which is stupidity, I think so. So this is so much great momentum in the up direction. Oh, see the breakout in the up direction, guys. I don't know where that executed, but I have been trying so hard for past couple of trades as well. Uh, I don't know where it has executed. 127.05. It executed way less here. So this is the false breakout, and what I'm expecting for since starting, but it is giving us now. I booked my profit, guys, because it exactly. Uh, so we are in $67 profit right now. So this is exactly what I'm trying to achieve in past 4 to 5 trades. So these are the 5 trades: one, two, three, four, and five. Sorry, 4 trades. These are the 4 trades that I'm taking today only, just to get this. But my entry is not right. Every time I am see how badly it fall, and this trapped. This is exactly how trapping works, guys. This took all the buyers to the stop, uh, giving them a dream that market is going up and up and up, and then just suddenly short dumped all the buyers. So this is how trap system works, and exactly what I'm thinking. But my entry is not right. For the past couple of minutes I'm just entering in the downside. That market is giving a false breakout, but my entry is not right. Or like I entered a bit early. My entry is early entry. So this is the exact concept of early entry, and I booked almost from this point to this point. I almost booked $300. So this is my target, and my target is easily achieved, and this is also breaking. I don't care about how it breaks, but what I am interested in is this trend line. So I am just see that there is a sellers all over there, and this I'm trying to punch the trade in the downward direction by this candle also, this candle also, this candle also, but it took all my stop losses. So right now. we are overall so this is what risk reward looks like. For losses in trades is recovered by a single trade, and we are in profit. So this is how risk reward works. The game is all about risk reward. If you want to sustain longer run, you have to take small risk and wait for the single trade that will give you the entire amount. Now what you have to work on, what me personally have to work on, is the entry. I have to find out where I'm getting trapped. Am I getting trapped? Is this the early entry? Should I wait more? So all these questions I have to ask to myself. Now obviously all these buyers have been vanished, and now let's jump back to the, let's see what our list loss look like. So it's almost $59. I'm selling short. This is just a quick scalping, guys. Just want to trade here, but market slipped to here, and I just don't want to get trapped again at this point. So I just quickly went out on this trade. This is a trade I don't want to take. It's okay. It's fine because these are the buyers area. Market will see a rejection from this point as well. Support, sorry. This trade should not be considered. Just forget about this trade. I just took at. I thought I took at this point, and I can easily make around $137, something like that. But market had slipped away, and I don't want to get trapped at this buying area. So forgive me about this trade. Look at the size of this candle, 540 points, guys. Okay, is this closing in the downward direction, crossing this zone? Then we will be in the selling side, guys. Amazing, amazing fall, guys. No one to support here. So this is the real move, guys, in the downward direction, and market is going to touch. Where is the? There is no line at all. Oh no. So there is unlimited. Wow. Let's delete this all the drawings because this is of no use now. We should wait. We will not jump directly to seeing this. Although, like now, it is very clear the momentum is in downward direction, and as soon as we find the opportunity, we will jump in. Uh, this is our selling candle again. Let's see how the one who is shorting after seeing this red candle might be squaring off their position by seeing this green candle, and this might take uh, so many sellers out, weak seller out. So we don't want to be a weak seller. We will definitely short whenever we find comfortable ourselves comfortable. This is the reversal of this candle, and it took this is overlapping candle actually. So you can see that 15 minutes. You can just see this pin bar from here, right? So might be trapping all the sellers out here because this is the selling zone, sorry, buying zone, and you can just see that there might be another buying start from here also. I will not be surprised. Is there any opportunity in Solana? As you can see, there is I'm talking about this line. So there are some buyers present at this particular point. If market able to break out this zone, then there is nothing stopping market to fall down. Should wait to see what is happening. Let's see what is happening in 3 hour and 3 minutes candle. Should wait. Should respect the market. Market have huge potential to give you a lot of money, but you have to wait and you have to literally keep the patience because see you can just see your last 5 trades because this is impatience and you just jumped in back. If you are not impatient and you are profitable now, but it's fine. Okay, it's already 1 hour and 1 minute. I think should really. I don't want to make early entry again. I know that market will fall. My entry would be at this point only. I don't want to make early entry and just giving stop losses to the market. And this time my stop losses would be way bigger, like it's 200 points. I don't want to give them market 200 points now. I'm happy to give 100 points, 120, 150 points, but not 200, 200 more, 250. This is very big stop losses. Okay, stop. Wow. Ethereum. Solana is doing great. Solana is not giving us entry, guys. Hey Solana, please give me entry, please. BTC and Ethereum is moving similarly, are moving similarly. Okay. Okay, so Solana is trying to give us entry and we will enter with 750 points. That's 750 quantity. We'll not make an early entry. We will see how this candle will close. Okay, nice. So let's see what our stop loss, what will be our stop loss looks like. Uh, Very big stop loss. You have to reduce the entry. 500 points is fine. Yeah. So I think it is well and good that our entry is looking good. Still, let's enter with 250 quantity and what will be the stop loss with 250? 25 points, 50 points only, right? Should be our early entry. We should wait. Yeah, that's why we are waiting. We don't want to get trapped again. Okay, let's wait, guys. Because what is happening? Why this is making green candle? Because after seeing this very big red candle, This is our profit booking candle. Obviously, now after this profit booking candle, everyone thought that market will continue its lower lows. Then most of the sellers are jumping in this red candle, and after it is giving the pin from here, then all those sellers are getting trapped, and this green candle is wiping them out from their positions. So this might break too, and now after this, if this momentum is real, then market will continue lower lows. But this is basically clearing all the weak sellers. So we have to be a little bit patient. Have to keep a little bit patience and read the market thoroughly, because we don't have to hurry. Market is going nowhere. It is here. It is here for years, and it will be here for years only. So we have to wait for a perfect entry where we the chances of getting trapped is less. That's it. Our last trade is at 8:05 to and our time is 8:22. So for 15 minutes we want to any trade, and that's good because there is no setup at all. I'm thinking about the stop loss. What will be the stop loss looks like? 40-50 points is something that we can take. Possibility is that it might continue on higher highs now. It is 6.10. should wait because the lecture is not good. Because the behavior is not good, guys. So I'm squaring off the session because unnecessary this will leads to over trading, guys, and because it will take a quite time because this is the support range, and market will try to continue in higher highs and then will come down again, and it will take too much time, guys. So I'm squaring off this session as of now. See you tomorrow or Monday. Okay. See ya. Bye bye. Okay, so for today's, what we have learned is we have took small stop losses and took risk small risk like in four trades. Although my direction is in downward direction only, but our entry is quite early. So as you can see, I just took $45 loss, $70 loss, $20 loss, 90. This little bit higher, $90 loss. But once I booked this is $292. That's it. That's it for today. And I think uh, yeah. So the overall result of this session is take small stop losses and try to convert the big profit in the bigger trade. So don't miss the opportunity because and try it with stop losses, and with experience with time you once you are comfortable trading, the number of these trades also reduce. Today it is 4, it might reduce to 1. So you will get wrong in the one trade only, and then you will get a bigger advantage in the next trade. That's it. So this is from my side for today, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye.